Verifying your identity on Panasonic Solar is an important step to access your account and manage your solar energy services. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Access the Panasonic Solar website. Visit the official Panasonic Solar website. Look for the login section where you can enter your credentials to access your account. Step 2. Initiate the verification process. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRUP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter required information. Fill in the necessary information as prompted. This may include your email address, account number, or any other identifying details associated with your account. Step 4. Receive verification code. After submitting your information, check your email or phone for a verification code. This code is essential for confirming your identity and will be sent to the contact information linked to your account. Step 5. Enter the verification code. Return to the verification page and input the code you received. Once entered, follow any additional prompts to complete the verification process and regain access to your account. Completing these steps will help you successfully verify your identity on Panasonic Solar. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.